This video will demonstrate how to find articles using the Stony Brook University Library resources. From the Stony Brook University homepage, click on Libraries on the red menu bar. In the tabbed search box, click on Articles on the main library homepage. We're going to start with the topic on X chromosome research. So I'm going to type in X chromosome in the search box. This will search 10 of the library's major databases, including Medline, which is the premier database for biomedical information. My search of X chromosome retrieved 11,000 records. This was a very broad search, and so we will need to refine this search using either additional search terms or other criteria available in the database. I'm going to start to refine my search by selecting another term. So in addition to looking at X chromosome research, I'm interested in hemophilia. I typed hemophilia in the second search box and used the AND to connect the terms. And by clicking on search, I have now refined my search of 11,000 records to 127 records. On the sidebar, you have some additional options for refining your search. The first option that I will use is the peer-reviewed option. So by clicking the box next to scholarly peer-reviewed journals, I am searching for journal articles in journals that have been reviewed by experts in the field. So the articles have gone through this peer-reviewed process. I'm also going to change the publication date to look at the past 10 years worth of research and click on Update. So from 11,000 records, we refined to 127, and with some additional refinements of date and the peer-reviewed criteria, I'm looking at 37 results in my results set. By clicking on the title of the first article, I can view the abstract or the summary of the article. Now I can also view some additional search terms that have been selected to describe this article. By clicking any one of the subject terms, you can do an automatic search of the database on that term. This is a great way to find related terms or synonyms for a topic you're interested in researching. Once you have read the abstract, you will want to find the full text article. On the sidebar, click on the linked full text icon. You will now automatically search the Stony Brook University Library's electronic journal holdings. This article in the journal Clinical Genetics is available in full text PDF, and I can either print or save this article from the screen. By clicking on the back button, I'm going to go back to the record in the database. On the sidebar, there is an icon labeled Cite. By clicking on that icon, you will find the formatted citation for the record we were looking at. So if I scroll through the list, I can copy and paste the formatted citation. In this example, it's the MLA formatted citation for this record. The article tab searches 10 major databases, but the library has access to hundreds of databases. If you are not finding enough information from the Articles tab, you can click on the Subject Guides tab in that tabbed search box. And you can look for subject guides that have been created by the librarians on various different topics and subjects. So for our example, we will look for a subject guide in biology. So we have a subject guide labeled Biological Sciences, and on this guide you will find the subject specialist and their contact information, as well as some additional resources for finding information in that subject area. So for the biological sciences, some additional databases you may want to search are the Web of Science, Biological Abstracts, PubMed, and another great resource is Google Scholar. If you need any additional assistance with finding resources, you can chat with the librarian using the chat box on the library homepage, or you can click on the call or email link on the library homepage to get the phone number for contacting a librarian. You can also email, or you can visit us at the reference desk located in the central reading room.